5. I suppose 1 and 2 were not that material, so the Court of Appeal judge didn't cite them. Given the history of this case, the length of the trial, and the efforts made by the court to assist the defendants there are the people who possess the land. Let me read it again. This is what the judge said. Given the history of the case, the length of the trial, and the efforts made by the court to assist the defendants who seem to have been misled by politicians into squatting on private property, notwithstanding their unlawful act, this court empathizes with the gullible defendants. 6. The application, this is the application by the Minister of Housing to stay the order of the court, which was granted in favor of New Falmouth, and the application for injunction. The court said the application is iniquitous. That means it is grossly unfair, it is morally wrong, it is wicked, it is unjust. This is what the court said. This is not the first judge, this is not the second judge, and this is not the third judge reciting the facts. It's judge on top of judge on top of judge. The judge continues. It may be that the law is not a shackle to the lawmakers. That does not apply to the court, which must dispense justice according to the law. 7. It is the court's view that the application is devoid of sincerity. It is an attempt to pervert the course of justice and an abuse of the process of the court. This is what the court is saying to the Minister of Housing based on its application to stall a judgment that was given to New Falmouth years before. The application is refused with costs, so they're supposed to pay the cost for New Falmouth. And as I told you, when you read the affidavit of Mr. Chisholm, Mr. Chisholm is telling them from 2002, he went to every agency begging them, please help, please find somewhere to put these people. I need my land, I need this, I need that. Not one soul batted an eyelid. The court accepted that as fact, because anybody can say anything in affidavit, but for the court to accept it, it went through a process of examination, cross-examination, passed the test of admissibility, passed the test of hearsay, and the court accepted it. Right? So the court granted the Minister of Housing leave to appeal.